So my name is Stephanie Checchia, and I am recording the sheep heart dissection. Now my heart was kind of difficult. It was very fatty and kind of squished, so it was pretty hard to identify some of the features. Now on the top we have the, let's see, so right over here is the aorta, which I'm able to fit my probe in down through. So we have the aorta over here. This is the brachiocephalic. So right below the brachiocephalic is the right atria as well as the right auricle. Coming straight through over here would be the intraventricular septum. Um, Now, the blood comes in through the inferior superior vena cava. Um, Enters into the right atrium, gets pushed from the right atrium into the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve. And then once it hits the right ventricle, it goes up into the pulmonic valve, which brings it to the pulmonic arteries, which will bring it to the lungs to get oxygenated. The blood entering through the inferior superior vena cava is deoxygenated and it is carbon dioxide rich. So the blood enters over towards the lungs, gets oxygenated, drops off its carbon dioxide, and then enters back into the left atria. The left atria then dumps the blood in through by means of the mitral valve, or also known as the bicuspid valve. Um, Now, I should just say the valves prevent backflow, so it only allows the blood to flow one way. Now, so the blood enters into the left ventricle, which is where it is forced. It is the largest force through the heart. It is forced very quickly, not quickly, but very hard through. Now it has to go through all the peripheral tissues because now that it's been oxygenated. So the left ventricle is it's the largest part because it does a lot of the work. um, Now we're going to open up in here. In here we have the chordinae tendineae. They originate in the right ventricle. Now if you look over here, you have the chordinae tendineae attaches to the valve. Um, or the wall of the heart. In here we have over outside this like kind of squishy layer would be the epicardium. Then we have the myocardium, which is kind of like this meaty area, and then inside into the heart wall would be the endocardium. So we have the left and right auricles. So the right is really, if we're looking at it, is our left, but we read it because that's the way that it is in the body. So right over here would actually be my right atrium and ventricle. Again, the top we have the brachiocephalic, we have the aorta up here, and that's about it. Thank you.